Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of your Fire TV device blocking apps? Or are you looking for a new device that offers a premium entertainment experience without stutter, lag, and delivers? Well, today we're taking a deep dive into a device that recently snagged the #1 spot in my highly anticipated top 5 Fire Stick alternatives list, the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. Now, many of you might be thinking, the Shield TV Pro, isn't that an older device? Hasn't it been ages since a major hardware update? And you'd be right. The last hardware refresh was in 2019, but here's the kicker. It still outshines nearly everything else. NVIDIA continues to release major software updates even in 2025, proving their commitment. In this in-depth video, we'll explore exactly why this device holds its top spot, what makes it so incredibly powerful, and whether after all these years, the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro is still worth all of the hype in 2025. All right, let's kick things off with the unboxing. The packaging itself feels substantial. Inside we have the sleek Shield TV Pro unit, looking very understated and sophisticated. My only minor gripe is that this shiny glossy surface is a real fingerprint magnet and shows dust incredibly easily. Not ideal if you're a neat freak like me. We also get the newly designed Shield remote with batteries included and a power adapter. However, you won't find an HDMI cable, so make sure you have a good quality one on hand, especially if you're planning to take advantage of all of that glorious 4K HDR. The device feels premium and compact, weighing just 250 grams, making it easy to fit into most entertainment centres. Now, let's talk about what makes this device tick and why it's still dominating the competition. Under the hood, the Shield TV Pro boasts an NVIDIA Tegra X1 Plus processor with a whopping 256-core GPU and 3 GB of RAM. This means incredibly smooth 4K streaming, seamless multitasking, and serious gaming. Connectivity is also top tier. You get a gigabit Ethernet port for a rock-solid wired internet connection, plus 2 USB 3.0 ports. Now, these aren't just for connecting a keyboard or mouse. You can easily expand the internal 16 GB of storage with an external hard drive or USB stick for even more games and local media. This hardware, even from 2019, remains incredibly capable and is built to last. Visually, the Shield TV Pro is a true powerhouse. It's 4K HDR ready, supporting Dolby Vision and HDR10 for breathtaking picture quality with incredible detail, vibrant colours, and exceptional contrast. If you have a library of content that isn't quite 4K, don't worry, the Shield TV Pro features AI-enhanced upscaling that can intelligently upscale content to near 4K quality at up to 60 frames per second. It truly breathes new life into your older videos. Now let's get into a very important topic, streaming services. The NVIDIA Shield TV Pro excels with 4K Ultra HD streaming from many of the most popular services, including Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, and Apple TV+. But for UK-based services, there are limitations. BBC iPlayer is available on the Google Play Store, but it's limited to 720p streaming. Now, while you can still watch all of your favourite BBC content, you won't be able to stream in 4K or HDR. All 4 is not available, so if you're looking to stream Channel 4 content, you'll need to explore alternatives like a Roku stick or a Fire TV stick. For ITVX, the app is available on the Google Play Store, but 4K support is unclear, often limited to HD. Similarly, My5 is also available, but its resolution support tends to be HD only. Despite these UK app limitations, the Shield TV Pro delivers a stellar streaming experience for global services like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video in full 4K HDR. Plus, AI upscaling significantly boosts non-4K content. But a great visual experience isn't complete without equally impressive audio. The Shield TV Pro supports Dolby Audio, including Dolby Digital, Dolby Digital Plus, and Dolby Atmos. It also supports DTS:X surround sound pass-through over HDMI, providing a cinematic audio experience. Audiophiles will appreciate its high-resolution audio playback, which supports up to 24-bit 192 kHz over HDMI and USB, as well as upsampling audio via USB. In terms of storage, the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro comes with 16 GB of internal storage, which should be plenty for most apps. However, if you need more space for games or local media, you can easily expand it using the 2 USB 3.0 ports. Connectivity is excellent with a gigabit Ethernet port, an HDMI 2.0B port, and those fast USB 3.0 ports. For wireless connectivity, you get dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, allowing you to connect peripherals such as headphones and game controllers. Running Android 11 with Android TV, you get access to a huge Google Play Store library. But here's also a huge advantage. It's fully capable of sideloading applications. This means you're not restricted to the Google Play Store. If there's an Android app that's not officially available, with a few simple steps, you can install it, giving you incredible flexibility and control. Now, Chromecast 4K is built in, making it easy to cast content from your phone or tablet. And best of all, NVIDIA provides regular Shield experience upgrades, ensuring it stays up to date with the latest features and performance improvements. We've even seen significant updates roll out in 2025, adding features like Auro 3D audio support and 120 frames per second streaming for GeForce Now. Now, this consistent long-term software support is a huge reason it remains so relevant, even years after its release. The Shield Remote features a microphone for voice search and commands, motion-activated backlit buttons that are handy in the dark, and a unique triangular design that does take a little getting used to, but it's incredibly distinctive and comfortable once you do. It's a 3-way programmable remote, allowing you to customize it to control your TV and soundbar. It connects via Bluetooth and even has an IR blaster for broader compatibility. And if you ever misplace it, there's a handy remote locator. For gamers, the Shield TV Pro is a real treat. It supports NVIDIA's GeForce Now cloud gaming service, which streams high-end PC games with stunning visuals, provided you have a compatible controller or keyboard and mouse. It also handles advanced Android gaming. This dual-threat gaming capability is a massive advantage. The NVIDIA Shield TV Pro is ideal for anyone seeking a premium, no-compromise streaming experience. It's perfect for serious gamers and home theatre enthusiasts who demand exceptional audio and video quality. However, at around $200 or £190, it's definitely not for those on a tight budget. It's an investment for the ultimate entertainment hub. Now let's quickly break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, you get incredible 4K HDR streaming on major platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and Disney+. Another standout feature is its stunning AI upscaling, which breathes new life into older content. And if you're an audio enthusiast, you'll appreciate the excellent support for Dolby Atmos and DTS. If gaming is your thing, with support for GeForce Now cloud gaming as well as Android gaming, it opens up a whole new world of entertainment. Customization is also a major plus. You can easily sideload Android apps. And don't forget about the regular software updates, which are crucial for maintaining long-term value and keeping your device running smoothly. Now let's talk about the cons. First, BBC iPlayer is limited to 720p, while other UK services such as ITVX and My5 may only stream in HD. Additionally, if you're looking for all four, it's not available on the device. Another point to consider is the premium price tag. This is a significant investment. And finally, the absence of an HDMI cable means you will need to purchase one separately. Overall, the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro offers truly exceptional entertainment. Even without new hardware since 2019, its raw power, consistent software support, and unmatched features solidify its position. If you want the best and are willing to invest in a premium, future-proof device, this is it. However, as a UK user, the limited support for BBC iPlayer is limited to 720p and the absence of all four is disappointing. If you heavily rely on UK-based services, the Shield TV Pro might not fully meet your needs. Now, while a new model is always speculated, NVIDIA's proven commitment to software updates means the current Shield TV Pro remains incredibly viable. Check it out in the links in the description and pinned comment below. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think of the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro? Do you own one? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and insights. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.